How to edit PDF in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word has made it easier to edit most PDF files in the 2019 version of Microsoft Word. Right-click on the PDF file you want to open. From the drop-down list, hover your mouse on Open With, and a side drop-down list will appear. From the side drop-down list, if you don't see Microsoft Word, then click Choose Another App. From the dialog box, scroll to Microsoft Word and click to open it. If you still don't find it there, click the More button and scroll downward. When you finally find it, select it and click OK. Microsoft Word launches immediately and makes the PDF editable. If it is not editable, click the Enabling Editing button to enable editing.